Well, good Saturday morning to you. Today is, I don't even know. Do you know what day it is, Ben?
26.
26?
I think so.
These days have just kind of ran together. This has been a barn burner of a summer, hot, and just pretty much 7-day work weeks. I don't hardly even know what day it is. Anyway, but this one is a scheduled call. Local farmer called, and he had, I think they were 16 9-30s on his tractor that were, I don't know, bad or something. He says, I really like to have some new tires back there. So we agreed on a deal. And I said, well, for this many dollars, I'll just come out and put it on. And he goes, well, that sure beats bringing my tractor to town. So we are in hot pursuit. I don't even know what they're going, to be right honest with you. But we're grateful for a little bit of work here this morning. It says 85 degrees, but I don't know. It's a hot one already.
Yeah, it's creeping up.
Balance Ben's with me. He's making the run, so we're happy to have him. So we're gonna get going. See what we can do. Put a whoop on this tire. Well, we made it out here. Turns out it's on a Mahindra here, and we can clearly see why we're here. He's got a couple of Maypops on here. It's one of his primary mowing tractors out here at his ranch. So we want to make sure we get his tires up and running, get him back out. It is haying season around here. Mr. Graham, are you ready to go today? What you got in the hand there? A little base plate action. All right, let's go.
What do you think?
Looks good, Mr. Graham. All right, Mr. Graham. Hey, you're gonna need the pedal. You want me to run the pedal?
I like it better that way.
All right, you ready?
Yep. Good bite.
We got a bite, don't we?
Yep.
You like it?
Going. That went all the way.
We'll lube it more, and then that's where we might need that slide hammer too that we talked about.
Yeah, that time it went all the way down into the...
Oh, yeah, now you got a better bite. Go, give her beans. Ah, yeah, now we got movement. Now it's that better. Yes, sir. Well, that was my boom truck right there. Used those. Got that off. Too hard to record and do all this. Yeah, we're going to use that, pop the back bead, and we'll be ready to go. Look what old Mr. Graham did down here. Hold that. Good. More.
Release.
More. What do you need?
Well, it was about to slip off like it did when it hit
Oh,
me.
yeah, like it hit you?
Yeah.
All right, what do you need me to do?
Come all the way off. All right.
I think that'll go with that bead hammer now.
Okay.
So we used we used that bead breaker over there to help. That got the bead broke a little bit. Then we just spun the tire. Then we got the whole bead broke. Now there's a tube in here. Miss Graham, you need to. Well, we're gonna have to unhook it here.
Yeah, I'm just pulling the air out.
You're letting the air out. And now, is that appropriate to say letting the air out? You think so? All right. We'll use our high-tech Knipex. Ben doesn't like them. I love them.
I don't know about them.
Well, they're the new fancy. They're like the fancy kids, Ben.
Yeah. Well,
Fancy kids.
I'm not fancy.
We determined earlier that we grew up on different sides of the railroad tracks, didn't we?
That's right. I'm not very fancy.
Yeah.
Here. Snippet.
See, Knipex. Handy. I like them. Stuck on there a little bit, isn't it?
Tire was on top of the tube.
Oh, tires on top of the tube maneuver?
Again, wasn't it?
Again, yeah, that does get us. You want to try pulling from the bottom or? Yeah, I'm gonna help Ben out. All right, so they call me Blister. I show back up when the work's done.
It don't look like a whole lot.
No.
A little bit of rust for you.
It's like super glue, isn't it?
It is.
We'll get that little valve stem pulled out right there. Oh, he's doing the old kicker maneuver.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not working so good there, Ben. Oh, he's gonna try the old. Ben, we have better tools than that. All right, Ben, now give that a little love tapping. See how much better that worked?
Look at that.
Look at that. Who would have thought a hammer would do a good job hammering something out? That is completely random. All right, now it's time for the miracles of video editing. You're supposed to snap your finger and it goes on, Ben. Oh, that didn't work? Come on, Ben, get better fingers, would you? Well, that was some great video editing, Ben. But you only got the first beat on. Are you taking the sticker off?
You know.
That doesn't apply to agriculture tires. You always have to leave the sticker on for agriculture tires. Now you have damaged and faced the customer's tire to the point I probably got to buy him another new tire, Ben.
Somebody always tells me the opposite.
Oh, okay. Now you're going to throw it in his yard or put it in your back pocket? Ben, just can't get good help anymore. All right, go for it, my man. So we got one there for an anchor.
Rotate your business.
My business, he says. Oh, you lost it all. Now you got to start all over. Oh, yeah. You are a greedy guy. Think you can get that bite? You got it. Now you just.
Dang.
Now you need. Oh, you're going to get it. You're going to get it, Ben Graham. Oh, we got to get that down in the drop center. We're not in the drop center. Drop center. There you go. Oh, look at lucka. Don't need no video editing. We just need Ben Graham. Oh, look at him work that on. Hey. That was close to my business right there. Hey, Ben. Balance Ben. In action. Okay, do the. You got to do. Oh, is that the bar drop? Oh, Lord of my mercies. Good job, though. That was like you made it look pretty easy. I'm glad I could do nothing to help.
It wasn't too bad. Just Firestone.
It worked right on, didn't it?
It did, yeah.
All right, now we got one problem left. We got a big gap and a short time to get there. All right, so we got our high flow on here. We got our Hurricane high force bead seeder here, 13 gallon. I am a rep for these, so if you want one, send me a DM. We'll get you one coming. Shipping nationwide.
Ready?
Go. Oh! Hit it! Oh, so close, but no cigar. Didn't go. 140 PSI. Got it. Yes, sirs. Okay, so that one took a couple of shots to get, but we got it. So what we wound up having to do, I tried the first time just using a smaller high flow. Wasn't enough, so I went and got my doubler, and that made a big difference. And I had to go get my big 1/2-inch line. That provided a lot more air, and then we hit it with the big Hurricane blaster. Still wasn't quite enough, so what we wound up having to do, Ben came up with the idea of letting the jack down a little bit, putting a little pressure on the bottom, and then everything seated up just right. We are using our new Esco professional inflator with 6-foot hose, lock-on chuck. I think this is, Ben used it a couple of times yesterday. If you follow my Snapchat, you'll know the joke behind that one.
I was sitting down then too.
You was sitting down then too, wasn't you, Balance Ben? I'm gonna put a chair to your behind. That way you never have far to go. You're welcome, bud. Well, we got this one in the books. We got them all spooned on. Oh, we gotta do a little cap there. Yeah, no job is done until the cap is done. Sometimes it's paperwork. You never know. But today the job's not done until the cap's back on, so we're gonna do that. Once again, we did put on 16.9-30 Firestones. Sat 2s, 23 degrees, something like that. They look good on here, far better than what he had. They'll do them a long time. And we sure enough appreciate his business. Hopefully he calls us back. Appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and all that other stuff, would you?